The Philippine National Police has issued a statement regarding the result of investigation into recent explosion at fireworks factory in Sitio Dam area, Barangay Bunlo, Bocaue, Bulacan. According to Police Major Isabelo Mondejar, Deputy Chief of Bocaue PNP, the explosion was a self-accident that claimed the life of woman involved in the production of fireworks. When the police arrived at the scene, they were confronted with scattered debris of wadding and gunpowder, suggesting a possible ignition or spark during the manufacturing process.
Dito po tayo sa palaisdaan, malayo po sa mga kabahayan. Ayun po, kaya safe, lang po talaga, self-accident lang po talaga ang nangyari. Based po dun sa ating investigation. Part ng quitis. Diyan po, dinalagyan po ito ng pulbura. Po, tapos sinisiksik po dyan. Ayun po, doon po, siguro doon nga po nangyari yung pagsabog, nagkaroon po ng friction, nag-init po yung loob. Kaya nadamay na po yung ibang ginagawa, nagkaroon po ng pagsabog.
Balik, gawa, bukod sa Bunlo, private property ito eh. Ang ginagawa niya dyan, mga kuwitis lang talaga. Yung ng kuwitis, yung pinakabam. Yun, mga oras na yun, hapon eh. Hindi niya siguro kalain na mag-i-spark, wala siyang nagawa. Ganun lang kabilis ang paputok dito. Pag sindi, saglit ka lang din.
Major Mondejar reported that the injured woman was immediately rushed to the Bulacan Medical Center in Malolos. Despite effort to revive her, the victim succumbed to severe burns of her body and the amputation of her left leg. The woman has been identified as Risa Villanueva, 49 years old.
Sabi niya nga, maski ako, sinabi ko sa kanya na, tigilan niya na. Tatapusin niya lang doon siyempre na to.
Meanwhile, Robin Del Rosario, Barangay Chairman of Bunlo, expressed their readiness to extend assistance to the victim's family.
Lalabas po sa tamang investigasyon, tamang informasyon na kung saan malalaman na may pananagutan kung sino man po yung dapat na papanagutin, ay kailangan po talaga po nilang tumulong at maging po ang sagot ng barangay ng Bunlo ay dapat tumulong sa naiwan pong pamilya.
Fortunately, no houses were affected by the incident as the factory is situated away from residential areas. Nestor Torres, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.